The PlaysLike feature takes into account changes in elevation and displays the adjusted distance to the green. During gameplay, you can click on the distance to the green to display PlaysLike's suggested distance. PlaysLike. This feature adjusts your horizontal yardage based on whether your target is uphill or downhill. It can also calculate shot shape relative to your horizontal yardage, short or long. When you see this screen on your watch, you can clearly see from the top that you're playing the second hole, par 5. Due to changes in elevation, this distance plays 5 yards longer than expected. Next is wind speed, and you can see that the wind is currently a tailwind, so this distance plays 3 yards shorter than expected. Then there's a cloud icon indicating temperature and humidity. This distance plays 2 yards longer than expected. Do you understand? It's simple, right? Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit support.garmin.com.